Can combining methods like a clean tip, a fitted cap, tape wrap, and upright storage increase the odds of keeping caulk tubes fresh? Start by wiping the nozzle clean with a dry rag and, if needed, a small dab of denatured alcohol to remove cured residue so new sealant can flow freely. Cut the tip to the size needed for the bead. Then after use, insert a purpose-made caulk cap or a tight-fitting piece of foam into the nozzle to block air. Wrap the nozzle and cap with a single layer of high-quality masking tape pressed firmly to create a secondary barrier that conforms to shape and reduces air exchange. Store the cartridge upright with the nozzle pointing up so any air pocket rises away from the body of the material and the nozzle stays full of sealant. Keep the tube in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat sources, ideally at a stable, moderate temperature to slow curing chemistry. For long-term storage beyond a few weeks, consider transferring a small amount into an airtight glass jar for limited use and discarding the rest when performance degrades. 3 common mistakes are leaving cured residue in the nozzle, which prevents proper sealing, using a loose cap that allows slow air ingress, and storing the tube on its side so air moves into the nozzle. If residue remains, trim the nozzle back and clean with solvent before applying any cap or tape. This ensures the closure seats against fresh material. If the cap is loose, swap to a purpose-made cap or push a short plug of tightly fitting foam into the tip before taping for redundancy. If the tube is stored on its side, change to upright storage with the nozzle up and place the tube in a container or box to prevent tipping. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project ideas and practical tips that match this topic so we can plan preservation steps before buying supplies. We host a discussion community where we and others share real-world experiences and ask questions so you can compare methods and learn what worked for similar projects.